Welcome to Gayathri's Cook Spot. I'm Gayathri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make this eggless orange cake that is so delicious and looks absolutely beautiful. It's also pretty easy to make. So first let us preheat oven to 160 degrees centigrade. Now let us mix the dry ingredients. Maida, powdered sugar, baking powder and baking soda. Just use a whisk to combine all the dry ingredients well. You can also sift this mixture or you can use a fork to mix everything together. Now add milk, refined sunflower oil or coconut oil and the orange puree we made in the last video. Please check that out to make how to make the orange puree or the paste. Now mix everything together with the whisk until the batter is nearly 70 or 80% combined. I don't actually mix the batter until everything mixes properly because it makes the batter really dense and your cake will also be done. So the final 20% mixing should be done with a spatula just to avoid over mixing. Okay. So once all the wet and dry ingredients are mixed properly, you can just transfer the cake to a prepared cake tin. I'm using an 8 inches round tin here, but the cake batter was actually more than the quantity of my cake tin. So it's better to use a 9 inches round tin or a deep 8 inches tin. So once you transfer the cake batter, it's time to decorate the top. Again, I have shown you how to make these candied orange slices in my previous video. I'll just add the link here. Please check it out. Just place them on top and bake the cake in the preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Now remove the cake from the oven, place it on a wire rack and check with a toothpick if it's done or not. Now let it cool completely and then wrap it up in cling film and then rest it overnight. See, I'm slicing the cake very fresh, so the slices on top were really hard to cut off. But overnight resting will soften up all those slices and it also makes it really tasty. So give it some time to rest. Okay. It's a really beautiful looking cake. If you give some time for resting and then if you slice it, it's going to be very flavorful. And look at the texture of the cake. It turned out very good. It's a really light cake. So if you like this video, please let me know in the comments and please subscribe to the channel. Bye.